Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to manage partial manufacturing in Kladana. Sometimes we have to create one production order for many items, but produce them partially. After one portion of items is produced, we need to get them in stock and be able to sell or transfer them without waiting until the entire production order is finished. Let's consider this case. We received an order for 5,000 t-shirts. We created a related production order. To supply raw materials, we created a related purchase order, and after receiving raw materials in stock, we created receiving. We are going to produce in small portions as at least 500 t-shirts are ready. We want to ship them to the customer. Let's go to the production order. In the finished products tab, you can see that 5,000 pieces are waiting to be produced. To start the production process, I go to the process tracking tab and press the button Start to Produce. The first operation according to the production routing is fabric painting. In my case, all amount of fabric is painted at once. So for all 5,000 t-shirts, I mark this stage as completed. Press the complete button. Now the first stage is ready for 5,000 t-shirts. Then I go to the fabric cutting and sewing. For example, cutting and sewing is done by two sewing teams. At the end of the first day, Team 1 reported that they cut and sewed 280 t-shirts. So for fabric cutting stage, I choose Team 1 as the performer and 280 pieces and press the complete button. The same for the sewing stage, Team 1 and 280 pieces. At the end of the day 1, Team 2 reported that they cut and sewed 420 pieces. So for fabric cutting stage, I chose Team 2 as a performer and 420 pieces. Press the complete button. The same thing for the sewing stage, Team 2 and 420 pieces. After that, I can see that for 700 t-shirts, cutting and sewing operations are completed. Then quality is checked for the almost ready t-shirts. In my case, it is a separate operation in production routing. I complete quality checking for 700 t-shirts. Your quality checker has finished this operation. And now it is possible to complete the final stage but only for 700 t-shirts. Let's complete it without mentioning any team or person name. Now production is ready only for 700 t-shirts. In production orders list, you can see that 5,000 t-shirts are planned and 700 are produced. We can go to related sales order and ship ready t-shirts. In the sales orders, you can see that 5,088 t-shirts are available. Because an available column is shown the total amount for on hand and waiting items. And 788 pieces are on hand. 88 we had before the start of our production order, and 700 we recently produced. We can ship these 700 or 788 items. Create a shipment using Add Related button. In the field Quantity to ship, put 700 pieces and save the shipment. Next day, we can go back to the production order and continue to produce. And again, we can mark how much was produced by each team. We can check or pack only the part of the sewed t-shirts, and after the ship, only finished goods. For example, after that, only Team 2 continued to sew t-shirts for the order. So I mark remaining 4,300 t-shirts are cut and sewed by Team 2. And after that, let's check and pack them. Now everything is finished for the production order. In the list of production orders, 5,000 is planned and produced. Now we can go back to the sales order and ship the remaining part. So you can see now 4,388 pieces are both available and on hand. I create a shipment using Add Related button. Quantities Quantity to ship 4,300 pieces. Save it. In related transactions, you can see linked transactions, initial sales order, production order that we completed partially, purchase order and receiving to buy raw materials, two shipments for 700 and 4,300 pieces. That's all about how to record partial manufacturing and ship finished goods without waiting the entire production order is finished. Some useful links you can find in the description below. Put your likes and subscribe to our channel to get notifications about new videos.